How to hard reset Android phones with computer in 2023. First, in your Android device, go to Settings and scroll to find System or General Management. Here, you will see Reset Options, where you can reset app preferences, erase all data, or a factory reset on your phone. But if that is not what you want or what you're looking for, here is a reset option for you. You will need a software by the name Share software, and you can search it on Google and download it in this way. Make sure to download it on this official site of Share. Just click free download and follow the steps that will be given to download it on your laptop or PC. Here you can see that there are a lot of options that you can do, and I will be teaching you one of them, but you will have to connect your phone and the computer. After connecting your device, this is what you will see in your screen, and just click yes to use USB for file transfer. Once you have done that, it will start connecting to your software, and you will see it is completely connected. Now that the Android Asus phone is successfully connected to the software, I will show you the simple way to hard reset it. Just click this. One click to enter recovery mode. This will show you the steps on how to turn on the developer options in your Android device. I will show you how to turn on developer options in your Android device. First, go to your Android settings and click on System. Then select About Phone. Now click Software Information to find the build number. Now, all you have to do is click the build number a lot of times until your device will tell you that you are now in developer option. Now that you're a developer, go back and find for the developer options. Here, you can see that it appeared on my system settings. Now, scroll down to enable USB debugging. Just click yes or OK. After that, now you can click the Enter Recovery Mode. While all of that is happening, you can see that the Android device is entering the recovery mode and this appeared on its screen. Here, you can use the volume up and down of your device to use as an arrow key to move up and down. Then just use the power button as an OK or enter button. Now, here in the recovery mode page, just click Partition. Here you can see I am using the volume up and down of the device to use as arrow keys. Then click Yes. It will bring you to this page and all you have to choose is Factory Reset. Then just click Yes again. After choosing that, you will see that your phone has been resetted. Then all you have to do is just reboot your phone. After that, just start your phone and set it up. There is also another option which is to repair the Android system using the same downloaded software once again. Just click Repair Now. After that, just enter the brand, the series, model, country, and carrier of your device. Once you are finished, just click Next and it will bring you to this page. The software will download the framework of your device, and it will sort everything back to your phone. After that, you will see a Repair Now and click Continue. Then just follow the steps that will be given on the screen and you will have successfully hard reset your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.